Hello and welcome to SchoolTonic. This video will show us the quick setup of the academic session. That is, you'll see a tree setup of the session, class and section. For this, you need to click on Configuration. From this window, you need to click on Academic Master. You'll see a submodule called Quick Setup. If you click on it, then from this particular window, you'll be able to configure the session, the class, as well as the section being on a single window. In order to add a new session, click on Add Session. Let's add a session name, Session 2018. Start date would be 1st Jan and it will continue till 31st December. And you'll find some options here like active, inactive, freeze and open. If you choose active, then all the records against this particular session could be seen, and if you choose inactive, then only the session name could be seen, but no records against this session would be seen. And if you choose open, then all the records against this particular session could be edited. But if you choose freeze, then you can only view the records, but you cannot edit the records against this particular session. Now let's click on Save. So the data has been saved successfully. From this very window, you can choose the session name, and from here you can add various classes, say class 1. In order to add multiple entries, you can use semicolon or you can press enter. Let's press enter. Class 2, class 3. I'm putting a semicolon to show that using the semicolon 2 you can add multiple entries. And next would be class 5. Alright, now let's click on Save. So you have seen that being on a single window, you can add multiple classes, and by default the section name, which is NA, would be created. And in order to add a new section, click on Add Section. Alright, and from here you can put the section name, say section A. Again I'm pressing enter for multiple entries. Section B, and you can click on Save. For the next class too, you can click on Add Section. Again put the section name. This time I'm putting semicolon and section B. Click on Save. So in this way you can add multiple sections for different classes, and if you want to delete any of these, you can click on this particular symbol which will delete the section. You'll find that by default there's a figure for the number of maximum students allowed, you can click on this symbol and edit the maximum strength of student allowed for a particular section. Let's choose 40. Okay, you can also edit this by clicking on this particular symbol. Alright, and if you want to delete the section, you can click on it and then the section would be deleted. See, the section B for class 2 has been deleted. And if you want to delete a particular class, then first you need to delete the section that has been created under the class. So first delete the section. Okay, and now you will be able to delete the class as well. See, class 5 has been deleted. So you need to maintain the hierarchy of the session, class and section. The way you move on to session, then class, then section, in the same way you first need to delete the section, then you will be able to delete the class, and then only you will be able to delete the whole session. Let me show you how you will be able to delete the whole section. You first need to delete all the section as well as the class. First delete all the sections, then the class, if you want to delete the session without deleting the classes, then it won't allow you to delete the session. See, I'll show you. See, fail to delete the session. Alright, so we first need to delete all the records against this particular session. Only then we will be able to delete the whole session. Okay, again delete the section, and now again delete the classes, and now you'll be able to delete the whole session. So the session that we just created has been deleted by following the hierarchy. Moreover, if you want to check the records for a particular session, then you can choose the session from this particular drop down box and you can view all the records. You can also make the changes that you want regarding the session, the class as well as the section. If you want to make any modifications, click on this symbol and then you'll be able to make the changes. And if you want to delete the record, you need to click on this symbol. So this symbol indicates the way to make changes regarding the records, and this symbol is for deleting any record that you want. Thank you.